We are pleased to show you the 2024 Yukon XL. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, remote start, keyless start, power outlet, console, floor mats. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.